Every day, millions of journeys begin. Most people never think about the roads beneath them, the bridges they cross, the tunnels they travel through, or the traffic systems that keep everything moving. They simply trust the infrastructure to perform. Behind that trust is a complex network of critical assets that must be continuously inspected, maintained, and optimized. As transportation networks grow, disconnected data, manual inspections, and reactive maintenance make it increasingly difficult to identify issues before they disrupt operations. Now imagine every asset connected through a single source of operational intelligence, where real-time insights enable faster decisions. Maintenance becomes proactive, and every inspection strengthens the health of your infrastructure. With IBM Maximo application suite and Pragma Edge, transportation agencies can unify asset lifecycle management, automate maintenance workflows, empower field teams with intelligent inspections, and gain real-time visibility across the entire transportation network. Because the future of transportation isn't defined by how quickly we respond to failures, it's defined by how intelligently we prevent them. Pragma Edge, powering your connected enterprise.